To embark on your journey with ChatGPT, the first step is to create an account if you don't have one already. Here's a simple guide on how to get started. If you're ready to dive into the world of ChatGPT but haven't created an account yet, fear not. We'll walk you through the process, step by step. To begin, head over to Google and write OpenAI, then open the first link. Once you're there, you'll notice a Sign Up option. We recommend scrolling down and signing up through your Google, Microsoft, or Apple account. In our case, we'll choose the Google account option. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. After that, provide your name and birth date and hit Enter. The next step involves verification, where you'll need to enter your mobile number. You'll receive an authentication code. Enter it to complete the sign-up process. Once you've successfully registered, logging in is a breeze. Whenever you visit ChatGPT website, simply click on Login and select the same account you used during registration. In our case, we'll continue with Google and select our account. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the ChatGPT homepage. The prominent section you see here is your prompt box. This is where you interact with ChatGPT, and everything you ask or type eventually appears here on the left side. On the left side of the screen, you can refer to previous conversations you've had with the chatbot. And if you wish to access settings, simply click on the three dots here to reveal a range of options. You can also upgrade your plan by selecting Upgrade Plan right here. That's it! You've successfully created your ChatGPT account and explored the interface.
We have created a comprehensive 1-hour course on utilizing ChatGPT, and it comes with a certification upon completion as display on screen. The link to the course is available in the description. Additionally, we are currently offering an early bird discount for just Rs.99, so act fast before the offer expires. Until then, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.